going to take the little road down here to Versailles again, and hope that you enjoy the ride along with me. I'm just gonna drive down through here, Versailles or Versailles. You know, I guess if you were from France or you was a French-speaking person, you'd say Versailles. But it's Versailles. Oh, I think I saw a groundhog up there on the bank. But I'm just kind of got it a little bit away from, it's not necessarily showing all the roads, you know. See, I kind of have it tilted this way a little bit so you can kind of see the scenery. It's a little hazy today. It's very cloudy. I was going to come down through here on a sunny day for you, and maybe I might do that sometime or go someplace else, you know. But I just wanted, I came down here a rainy day a couple days, 2 or 3 days ago, and I haven't posted those yet. I might, but I have to look at them. They looked almost like a whiteout. I don't know if my camera did wrong or just the rain and the lighting. I'm not sure. It's not usually like that though, but here we are, seeing what we can do, right? And go down through here. And beautiful. Okay, there's the Wild Rose Winery and the Buckley Wildlife Sanctuary, I guess, is out through here somewhere. And this is a beautiful stretch of road. You know, this is Highway 60, and it's between Frankfurt and Lexington, you know. Well, right now I'm between Frankfurt and Versailles, but, you know, you can go this way and go to the airport in Lexington. And also, you know, to UK, the hospital, and any other hospitals down there, too, in Lexington. I'm going to show you over here. Get ready to look at that beautiful cornfield. Look at that. It's huge, and that's one of the things I love in Kentucky is the farmland. You know, they have the soybean crops, and they have huge cornfields, and of course, a little later in summer, when you can see it certain places, they have the tobacco fields, and when it's getting close to harvest, I guess, it turns a beautiful golden yellow. It's not that I'm for tobacco or anything like that. I'm just saying, seeing it out there growing, it's beautiful, and it's one of the Kentucky crops that people have. You know, that's separate and apart from people's home gardens, which is something I love, a home garden. I don't have opportunity to have one anymore, but I used to. Anyway, here we are. We're traveling. I'll tilt this back just a little bit. There you go. And this is beautiful down through here. I love those right there. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? Those bushes are just so pretty, you know. But I thank you for riding along with me, and if you watch my videos, the ride-alongs, the cooking, or any of the other things I put on there, I hope you'll like and subscribe to my channel, and hope you watch my videos, and I appreciate it, and I enjoy your comments. And it's just lovely. The last time I didn't drive through town down here, but I might this time just to, really don't know my way around Versailles that way. Just if I go straight through and I'm going to Lexington, you know, is what I'm used to. But it's a beautiful town. so you don't see so much of the, area there that you might not be wanting to see, but there we go, A little bit difficult when you're driving to get that just like you want it. Still want you to see this over here, mostly because coming back I'll probably try to turn it the other way. There was a dead skunk in the road. I don't smell it yet. That's a good thing, a plus. Isn't this beautiful Kentucky farmland? And they do the cows and horses on some of these beautiful farms out here. And when I'm doing a ride along and you're with me, I talk to you because I feel like you're with me, and it's so pleasant. It makes me feel better. Makes me enjoy my drive. Makes me pay attention more to everything around me because I'm thinking about what you might be seeing, what you might be thinking. There was a stone tree or stone street or something, farms, very beautiful. Some more cornfields on the other side over there, and soybeans too, big bunch of soybeans. At different stages, they got them in two different, well, I guess that's, I know the soybeans, I don't know, I think the other is too though. Just gonna slow down just a little bit here. And I think I'm just going to go through here. I don't usually, but that's how I'm going to do it this time. And I'm going to center the camera a little more going through here. There you go. I drove through here a few times because I came up here and went to church a couple times, 2 or 3 times. This is Woodford County. Versailles, Kentucky is in Woodford County, Kentucky. Nice little town, and sometime we might drive through Midway. It's a quaint little town. They don't have a lot there. Small town, very nice though, and homey. They have a few restaurants there, and I've been there to some of them. It's nice, just a very small town. Not exactly sure where I'm supposed to go right here, but I'm going to assume that I just go straight through. What I'm wanting to do is come out the other side. Now, when my late husband passed away almost 9 years ago, I had to sell the pickup truck, had to sell the other car, and a lady that lives here, I guess she lives here in Versailles, she works here, and she bought the car, and it was my husband's car. It was a little bit older, not old though, but a little bit older, and he had bought me a new one at the time. It was a couple years old, and so I couldn't keep all those automobiles. You only drive one at a time anyway, so you know, and it was nice. And now and then I see a car out that looks just like it, and I think, wonder if that's it. I just wonder if that's it, you know. This is a beautiful town, don't you think? I mean, if we get past looking at the back of somebody's car. This is really pretty. Now, they had a restaurant here a while back, and I can't remember the name of it, if it was Melissa's or something like that. And one of my former daughter-in-laws, she used to take me all over the place, and she lived down here at the time and worked down here and in this county and this town, and she would take me to all kinds of different places to distract me and keep me company, and it was so great of her to do that kind of thing, and I appreciated it so much. See, what a pretty town. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? And then a while back, I came down here. It's been a while, but I came down here to the VFW guy that, well, 3 guys that I knew that were musicians were playing music, and I came down to hear them. They did really, really well. So here I am, but I don't know where I'm going. Get down in here and get lost. Yeah, that's me. I mean, you know, right? And I may have to put my GPS on in a little bit and just see where I'm going, you know. At the moment, I'm just going straight through because I don't know. Hopefully I can go straight through right here. Yeah, they are, so I guess I can too. Since I'm never in downtown Versailles, I never do it, so I don't know my way around real well here. So beautiful, isn't it? I love towns. I just love them. There's a cemetery over there. Car's a little bit on the noisy side, you know. This is truly nice. Tower Bridge. I guess that's a neighborhood or something over there, maybe. Very nice. I love these rock walls, don't you? Look at that. Isn't that pretty? I know that sunny days are just absolutely beautiful to go someplace when the sun's shining on everything, but I particularly love rain. I like cloudy days. And yes, I love sunshiny days too. I really do. But I'm just saying, this is nice. This is great. I don't think I'm coming out quite where I thought I would, so we'll see. There's another cemetery over there. There's a neighborhood called Hemsley. Looks nice. McDougal's Garden Center over here. That's nice too. It's nice out here, but I'm gonna find a place out here to figure out where I need to go to turn around. I thought it would just kind of lead me on the road to, well, yeah, I'm on the right one. Road to Lexington. Yes, baby, that's where I'm at. Cool. I thought so, but, you know, like I said, don't know my way around here. Need to do a little more driving in Versailles. To Lexington, so I don't want to turn there. See that beautiful corn patch over there in the barn? Love that. I'm going to go out here and find a place to turn around. Very nice. Very nice, isn't it? There's some more of that rock wall over there on the left. Beautiful. I think I better be finding my turnaround spot pretty soon. I might be taking the back road all the way to Lexington. Was not my intentions. Oh, this is so pretty through here, though. It's worth the drive. It's worth it. Horses over there. Yeah, I think I'm holding traffic up, so they expect me to drive faster. But when you don't know your way around, I've been through here before. I'm gonna go out here and find a place and turn around. River Mountain Farm, that looks nice. So I'm going to go out here and turn. As soon as I know I'm not at somebody's house, I don't want to turn at anybody's house, you know. Could have turned right there, would have been great. So I'm a little bit lost at the moment in my driving, where I'm going and all that, but I'll figure it out. And thank you so much for riding along with me. It's not as troubling when you have company, right? I think I will turn right here in this parking lot or something, right? Cardinal Hill Estates, we're going to turn right in here. Alrighty then. See you again soon.